Okay, so guys, this was an unexpected video to make, but our Ferrari's stuck in a tree. And we don't know how to get it out. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, no, that's not. Jump. Oh, shoot. Christopher. Oh, how am I going to get back in the Mafia? Yeah. Okay, I'm back in. Yeah! Yeah! Okay. This is going to be a very short video, but we have to get our car out of the tree. Yeah. Christopher, we're gonna have to. I've got an idea. Be right back. You know the wall climbing glitch? What if I wall climb it so that it hits the back of the car and flicks it out? No, it's not gonna work. Yeah. Okay, we can just go get a new one. I'm gonna try to. Whoa, what if it's two Ferraris stacked on top of each other? We're gonna try to do that. We're gonna try to do it. We're gonna try. Oh my gosh, yeah. You gotta do it. I'm Mr. Bling Bling. Okay. Level 5 engine. And no guys, I do not pay Robux for cash because I barely have any Robux right now. It's sad. It's very sad. Oh! Wait, Christopher, do you think we can do it? Like, if we did it, if we did it once, we can surely do it again. Bro, it despawned! It despawned! Yeah.
You should do this with Biff busting. Tagging 2 Ferraris.
Heck yeah.
So if you run...
Train! Train! Okay, bro. Let's do this. Oh! Ah, crap.
You go back to the gas station?
The world's glitchiest new vehicle. High suspension, custom. Alright. Has to be high suspension. Okay, bro, this is gonna be so glitchy. This actually might work. Oh, no, epic fail. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, bro, look. I'm not controlling it. I told you this. Go to FaceTime right now. I don't even have my hands on my keyboard.
What the heck?
I told you the ATV is the world's glitchiest vehicle. I told you, bro. Alright, now I have my hands on the keyboard. No. But I'm not turning. There we go. Okay. Glitchy 2.0. The world's glitchiest ATV in all land. Bro, did you freaking see that? Can you rob the bank with an ATV?
Yes. Guys, we're gonna do a myth busting. It's called if you can rob a bank with an ATV. We're gonna see if that's true or false.
Oh yeah. So
Try that.
yeah. Let's do that in the next video, Christopher.
What?
Let's do that in the next vid.
Yeah.
Oh, so later.
Guys, we're gonna do a myth busting video in the next one, so stay tuned on YouTube, guys.
But we've already done an ATV wall glitching video.
Yeah.
Also, I've seen Tofu. He takes the ATV and glitches into the new door to the bank. So if you guys want us to do that, we can also do that. I think we should do that, to be honest.
Yeah. Soon we might be playing in the snow because it's snowing in our neighborhood.
Yeah, it's snowing outside right now. It hasn't snowed here in like, I don't even know how long.
You guys live in Texas, it's snowing right now. I believe the entire state of Texas is snowing.
Not the entire state. Okay, so guys, this right about wraps up this vid. This was kind of a random one, but we'll see you guys in the next vid. See you later, Mr. Bling Bling, and your favorite chicken Scotchy. Bye, guys.